Hello and warmly welcome great minds to Scamper IT services and hope you are all doing great. Right in this tutorials, we are going to look at how to set up a newly purchased Wi-Fi. So without much ado, let's get started. Right. So to do that, Wi-Fi nowadays don't contains anything that could show you the user logins and the password. All right, so to get the logins, what you must do is to just open the Wi-Fi. Okay, so you open the Wi-Fi box like this fold. Okay, then you check from here. Let me just remove this. Okay, let me just remove this because we don't need this for the tutorial. So you check from here, you see we have the IP address. Okay, we have the IP address, so you can use the IP address to do that setup. All right, so you see we have user user as admin and also the password as admin. So this is the default logins that we have on the Wi-Fi whenever you purchase it. Okay, so to set up the Wi-Fi, what you must do is to just fix in the battery. Okay, if removed, just fix in the battery and close it nicely. All right, so when you are done, you close it nicely. Okay, you close it nicely. All right, so that you maintain the everything. All right, so when you are done, you just press hold on this button to turn it on. Okay, you just press hold on the button to turn the Wi-Fi on. So you press hold until you see the green light of the battery and also this green light of the connection. All right, so this is to ensure that you are having a SIM card in it. All right, so this is a message box. If there is no SIM card, it should be red, and if there is a SIM card but the SIM card is not having bundle on it, it should be red. Okay, so when you are done this way, let's look at how to connect it. All right, connect the Wi-Fi. What you must do is to go to your phone and go to Wi-Fi. Okay, so you go to Wi-Fi. All right, and make sure that let me just first forget the password details I'm having on this Wi-Fi. All right, so when you tap on it this way, you see that I've already set up this Wi-Fi. Okay, but the procedure is the same. You are going to see admin and also password, or you are going to see username and password. So the username, you must enter admin over there, and the password section too, you must enter admin over there. All right, so this tutorial, I'm going to enter the password of my Wi-Fi. Okay, of my Wi-Fi, so that we could continue. Okay, all right, so let me just connect. So you need to connect it. Okay, so right after your connection, you are going to have something in this fold. Okay, which means that there was no bundle on it. Okay, there was no bundle on it. So you make sure that you have the IP address that I just showed you where it is in mind. Okay, you have it in mind. So I have my IP address here, so let me just tap on it. Okay, let me just tap on it. So you can use the IP address to access it. Okay, you can use the IP address. Please you make sure that you use the IP address and the connection of the Wi-Fi. Other than that, it's not going to work. Okay, other than that, it's not going to work. So you use the IP address and the connection. You make sure that you connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, you connect it before like we did. So right after connecting the Wi-Fi, then you just come here to and input admin over here and the password. Okay, so let me just input the password and the admin section over there. So right after inputting the password and everything there, this interface is going to show. Okay, this interface is going to show for you to set up the Wi-Fi. So same way you do on the laptop, same way you do on the phone. Okay, because my desktop, my phone is set to desktop side, so it's more or less like the laptop. If I should change the interface to a mobile interface, you will see that the interface is the same. Okay, you will see the interface is the same. All right, so let's maintain the desktop mode like that, because MTN Wi-Fi uses the same interface. So when you get here, you see we have the network SSD name. Okay, so this is the name. It should initially supposed to be MTN. Okay, MTN, but currently I've changed it to Scamper ITS. So you can also do yours. You can change it to your name. Okay, and we have the passphrase. The passphrase is the password. Okay, is the password. So you just change from the admin. Currently it's admin, so you change to your own password. Okay, you change to your own password. All right, so when you are done with that, you just come to quick settings. Let's go and check something there. So you make sure that the SSD broadcast is enabled. Okay, it's enabled, and the network name is going to be MTN. So here too you have to change it. Okay, all right, so when you are done with that, you just go to the device. Okay, so when you come here, you don't much need to do any settings here, unless there is some issue uh, with your Wi-Fi. But if there is no issue, you make sure you maintain everything. Okay, you maintain everything as it is, and here it will show your data, the amount of data you've purchased. So you can just press hold on it to delete it. Okay, all right, so it's simple like that. All right, so it's simple like that. Then you go to the SSD. When there is data, you can just star 124 to check the balance. But now we are not having any SIM card in it. All right, so that's how it should be. So when you are setting up, you don't necessarily have to put a SIM card in it. Okay, you don't do that. All right, so yeah, we can go to the system setting, and we end this tutorials, and I hope it's helpful. So when you come here to, please make sure you don't touch anything, but you can come here to modify the password. Okay, should in case you want to change the password, you just input the current password over there, and you just add a new username. Okay, you add a new username, you add a new password, then you confirm the new password. Okay, then you confirm the new password. So when tap on this, it will factory set the your everything. Okay, it will factory set your everything. So you make sure you don't tap on it, and we have the time settings to right from here, and you maintain it, because the time settings is going to be as your local time, because it uses network. All right, so please, thank you guys for coming through, and currently this is how to set up a newly purchased Wi-Fi. How to set up a newly purchased Wi-Fi. So if this tutorials was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. My name is Richard Jan, and I'm out.